Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to pin multiple notes and folders in a single note and folder icons in Windows Taskbar. So without further more delay, let's begin. So before proceeding, suppose you have lots of notes, files or the folders that are present in your Windows computer and you want to pin it in your Windows Taskbar. Then how you can do it? So say you have opened some notes, right? So I have a note icon here and a file manager icon. You can see a folder which is called a folder also. So when you right click on the notes icon, you can see a tons of recent open notes app, right, or the notes files. So you can see when you just move your cursor to the or place the cursor on the respective notes file, you can see on the right side a pin icon, right? So if you want to add or pin this note, then you can just click on this pin. It will be added on the pin. So I have recently pinned some files which is most needed by me or which are open every day by me. So by right clicking on the icon, that is the notes icon, you can just pin it, or you can just do one more thing. So let me just show me an example, show you an example. So just let me create one text folder. So you can just drag and drop here, it will be automatically pinned here, as you can see here. You can do this kind of method also. If you don't see in the recent list, then you can just drag and drop and it will be get added automatically on the notes list. So similarly, in the similar manner, just right click on the file manager and you can see a tons of folders available in my Windows computer. So say I want to add a folder which is named as new folder, right? So I'll just click on this pin to this list. I'll just click on it and it will be added on the respective folder, as you can see here in the pin list you will see. So using these tricks, you can pin multiple notes and folders in a single note and folder icons in Windows Taskbar very easily. So if you never known how to pin multiple notes and folders in a single note and folder icons, then you should definitely try these cool tricks. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.